Is walking is enough for cardiovascular diseases? This is the most common thought that come in our mind when we think about cardiovascular diseases. And we assume because in Western countries, like you see, everybody's walking, everybody's running. And in cities also in India, this thing is there, like if we are walking these much steps, that means our cardiovascular health will be good. So is it true? Like just with walking, cardiovascular health can be maintained? So let's see what is the answer for this in traditional medicine. This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video, we are going to talk about whether walking is enough for cardiovascular health or something else is needed. After listening so much cardio related problems, cardiac problems, everybody gets scared. And then we go to the doctors and then we ask, like, check for our heart, is everything is all right or is some problem is there? Then doctors check, then they take ECG and they say, like, everything is all right, you need not to worry. Then you ask, like, what we need to do to make our heart healthy? Then you say, then doctors say, keep walking for 1 hour, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. This will make your cardiac health good. And definitely, rather than sitting, walking is more better exercise, and it enhances the circulation, blood circulation. It enhances the energy. It make you out of the negativity, and there are so much benefits of walking. So walking is very very beneficial. But walking alone is not only enough for cardiovascular health. For cardiovascular health, it's very important that you take care of your lifestyle. And what includes lifestyle? Lifestyle, if you really care about your heart, then first thing you need to do, stop using old food, packed food, tinned food, canned food. All these things are the if you search research papers, all these things are bad for your cardiac health. Freshly cooked food, cook food fresh, even simple food, but cook food fresh or boiled and consume it within 1 or 2 hours of cooking. Don't use refrigerator to preserve food because this kind of food is not good for health because refrigerator contains various kind of gases that keep the temperature down and that is not considered good for your cardiac health. So, what another thing? Avoid street food. The street food which is being used in oil, fried food, which is very tasty, especially in India. But you forget, like they're using the same oil for months, and this kind of oil, when you eat food that is being cooked in this kind of oil, that will impact your lipid profile. That is called LDL, low density lipids. It will increase the value of LDL, that is low density lipids, and this impacts your cardiac health. Another thing is stress. Stress also impacts your cardiac health. For that, you do yoga, exercise, pranayam, meditation. All these things are for your cardiac health. What else can be done for cardiac health? Try to have early dinners. Don't postpone your dinners very late in the night so that there is a natural intermittent fasting in your food intervals. And this time, body will take to heal itself, rejuvenate itself in a big way. So that is very beneficial. In addition to that, add 50% of your food or 30% of your food minimum as raw diet. That includes fruits, sprouts, and salads. And then anything freshly cooked. Dinner also should include the same thing. These are the simple changes if you do along with your lifestyle, it will promote your cardiac health in a big way and protect your heart from various cardiac ailments. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon. There's a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, click the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there's a join button, there's subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, stay clear.